another Bob Ross review.
Unhappy tree. Welcome.
It's our own secret tree. What did they say? Happy tree?
Yeah, happy tree.
Okay, so today we got another Hostess Bake Shop Cupcake cookies.
You heard that right. Cupcake cookies.
Yeah. They got the curly Q. Oh god, one of them got smashed to shit. They got the curly Qs like the regular cupcakes, but they're cookies?
Today. They are. Look, they're little cookies.
Oh, they're like soft cookies, I think, too.
Little footballs. Laces out.
They smell like a freaking...
What movie is that from?
What?
Little footballs. Laces out.
Ace Ventura.
You got it. Ray Finkel. What do you know about Ray Finkel? Soccer style kicker. No, we should probably not. We're going to get copyrighted.
That's true. I don't know, could you quote an entire movie and still get away with it?
We can do the Forrest Gump. Back to this cupcake cookie thing. I'm kind of disappointed.
I am too.
It's an amazing idea.
It is.
They look really cool, like little cookies. They're like oversized Girl Scout mint cookies.
Yeah.
They don't taste like mint.
I thought they were going to taste like mint, actually, when I opened them. I was like, oh.
I like Hostess cupcakes.
I do
like
too.
The chocolate ones like this.
Mm-hmm.
But there's filling inside.
Yeah.
And I think that's what this is missing.
Yeah, there's no filling inside of these bad boys. They're just cookies.
Unfortunately, I have to give this a 3.
I agree. They're not bad by any means. They're just not
I was
expecting.
I wish I had that blast of filling.
Mm-hmm. One thing I will say about them is they are soft and they're like a dense little cake cookies.
I'm okay. I thought you were gonna say something else.
I don't know what you thought.
I don't know either.
You got a dirty mind.
Did you find these in Levington? Where'd you say?
At Food Lion.
Food Line, that's right.
You're like, what the hell's a Food Lion? We do not have them in Illinois. That is their version of like Kroger. Actually, it's more like a Jewel Osco or a Costco.
Well, Hostess, you made a cupcake cookie. Great idea. Let's work a little bit on the cupcake part. Just put some cream fillings in there. Make it great.
Well,
have you guys tried it? Probably not. Would you try it? Leave comments downstairs in the basement.
Please.
Todd in.
Here.
The hell was that? Did you hear that? Did you hear that? It wasn't that.
No, there was the Chips movie. You didn't see it?
No.
Yeah, the Chips moved. Did we move something over there?
I thought something moved back there. I thought the door just opened.
No, I watched that bag move out of the corner of my eye, and that's why I stopped. And I thought that's why you stopped.
No. Great.
They like it when we review cookies.
Leave comments downstairs in the basement.